Stop by and take a look at 2012 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: OnStar, air conditioning, anti-theft security system, floor mats, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cruise control, bed liner, fog lamps, remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.